Describe a person who is good at making people feel welcome in his/her home.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
Do people in your country often invite others to their homes? Why?
In my nation, people have a strong tradition of inviting others to their homes, which is considered a gesture of hospitality. Additionally, many individuals extend invitations to celebrate victories or achievements together. This practice not only fosters stronger relationships, but also adds a layer of enjoyment and camaraderie to the event.
What do you think of serving food to visitors?
I think serving food to visitors is highly regarded and a great sign of showing hospitality. By serving food, we can engage with them in a number of conversations and share the music with others, which helps to strengthen the relationship between different types of religions as well as food cultures.
What kind of people do you think are more likely to invite others to their homes?
I believe that individuals who are social butterflies, along with being extroverts who relish interacting with diverse personalities, are more inclined to invite others to their homes. In doing so, they not only get to spend quality time with them, but also have the opportunity to organize special events. Furthermore, those who enjoy working in teams are more likely to extend invitations to others to visit their place.
Who are more likely to invite others to their homes, people in the countryside or people in the city?
In my perception, both rural and urban dwellers enjoy inviting people into their homes, yet there is a discernible difference in their underlying motives. While people residing in rural areas extend invitations with the intention of fostering deeper connections and understanding among one another, on the other hand, urban residents often host gatherings with a dual purpose: to facilitate social interactions as well as to accomplish professional objectives.
Are tourist attractions in the countryside more popular than those in the cities?
Yes, I believe so. Tourist attractions in rural areas offer a more serene environment, surrounded by lush greenery and minimal pollution. Additionally, these locations often provide spots where people can relax more comfortably compared to bustling cities.
What facilities are there in the tourist attractions in your country?
In my country, tourist attractions offer a plethora of services. Firstly, they provide guided tours, which not only acquaint visitors with each location, but also delve into the history and significance of each place. Additionally, there is a diverse range of activities to choose from, such as paragliding, boating, and river rafting, allowing people to engage based on their preferences. Furthermore, tourists can indulge in various cuisines, find comfortable accommodation options, and benefit from convenient transportation access.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.